Dear students, today I am going to solve exercise 14.1. It is second part of this exercise. Question number second is, given the line or lines of symmetry, find the other hole or holes. Dear students, here we see some figures and a dotted line in each figure shows the line of symmetry, and we need to find the other hole when we fold it from this line of symmetry. It is very simple question. When we fold this figure from this line, we find other hole is here. Like this, when we fold this figure from this line, it is line of symmetry. We find other hole here. Again, in this triangle, when we fold it from this line of symmetry, we find other hole here. In circle, it is dotted line and it shows line of symmetry. When we fold it from this line, we find other hole here, and in this figure we fold it from this line of symmetry, we find other holes here and here. Now we solve it. Each figure is symmetrical and shown by dotted lines, and the other holes are shown below in each figure. As we say previously, we see here other dotted lines or hole is find here. In this figure, other hole is here. In this figure, other hole is here. In this circle, other hole is here. And last of this question, hole that is related to these two given holes. When we fold it, we find one hole here and other hole is here. In this way, if someone want to do this type of question, you can say it is done easily. Question number third is, in the following figures, the mirror line, that is the line of symmetry, is given as dotted line. Complete each figure performing reflection in the dotted line. Here you might perhaps place a mirror along the dotted line and look into mirror for the image. Are you able to recall the name of the figure you complete? Dear students, here incomplete figure is given. This dotted line is line of symmetry. When we complete it, it will be a square in this way. Again, here it is a half figure, and when we fold it, we find a triangle. It is this dotted line is line of symmetry. When we complete it, we find a triangle. Here it is half part, and this dotted line is line of symmetry. When we fold it, we find another shape which is similar to this shape, and it become a rhombus. It is semicircle, and this dotted line is line of symmetry. When we complete it, we find a circle like this. Here 1, 2 and half part of this line is given. When we fold from this dotted line, that is line of symmetry, we find a pentagon. And here when we fold it and complete this figure, then we find an octagon. Now we see it. On completing all the figures and drawing their lines of symmetry, the name of each figure are written below each figure. Here half part of this figure is given in question, and when we complete it, it becomes a square. It becomes a triangle. When we complete this figure, half part of this figure is given in question. So after when we complete it, it become a rhombus. Here half part of circle is given in question, that is semicircle. When we complete it, now we find a circle. It is a pentagon and it is an octagon. In this way we can complete. When we find any half part of any figure in this question, then we complete it. Thank you.